In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can make money online testing websites, and you can make $10 to $15 per website test, and this is great for beginners. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I reply to everybody and I will get back to you. Alright, so make sure you watch every second of this video. I'm going to show you how to make $10 to $15 per website testing websites. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes per website, and it's great work at home for beginners. Here is what you need to get started: a computer that runs Windows or Mac, a reliable internet connection, a microphone either built on your computer or external mic, ability to download their screen recorder software. You must be at least 18 years old. And you must have the ability to speak your thoughts out loud in English. And you need a PayPal account. And this is great for beginners, but if you want to learn how I make $1,000 affiliate commissions, you can go to this URL, will be in the description below and in the pin post as well. If you are serious about, making big bucks online, this is what I recommend. So how this works: after you sign up and complete the test video, you will start to receive email notifications when a new website tests are available. They will give you a few tasks to accomplish on a website. While you record your screen and voice the whole time, you get paid for each website you evaluate. It usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and the pay generally it's $10 to $15 per website. So here is how it works. Big brands, large companies are willing to pay money to have users test their websites. The way you need to do is, first thing, you need to sign up and apply. And to do this, you come over here and you add your email over here and you click apply. Then you take the tests, you give the feedback on the products, and then you get paid. Here are some testimonials from people that are using this and they're happy. I've been very pleasant overall with my experience. I enjoy the ability to earn a little extra from home on my own schedule. So what you're doing with this is you're gonna be testing websites as you record your screen, and you're gonna give your opinion on it. And that's pretty much what you do. Now, once you enter your email right here, you're gonna go to a process to be approved. Once you are approved, you're ready to, start earning money with this. Also, want to mention that after you do the test, it will take 7 days for them to pay you. So you complete the test, so they will verify your recording, and then you'll get paid. So note that it takes 7 days for you to get the payment. All right, so here is the website. This is it, usertesting.com. And there you go, this is the website. Put your email in there, apply, get approved, start doing tests, and start making money. This is great for beginners. And if you are a little bit more advanced and you want to make more money and you want to make big bucks, then this is what I recommend. This program right here I'm gonna leave it in the comment section below and also in the pin post. If you're looking to create a full-time income, this is my ¡1 recommendation. This program will pay you big commissions, like $1,000 commission. Really amazing, by a marketer that's done almost $500 million promoting products online. So you're learning from the best. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, turn it into blue. I am so grateful to have you here on the channel. Thank you so much for being part of the family. If you have not subscribed already to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below, as I will get back to you. Also, I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. Also, take a look here on my YouTube channel. I have loads of other videos to make money online that help you. Literally have this last one, which is how to earn $200 a day on Google Maps. This is a really good strategy if you wanna make even more money, and also other ways you can do it through YouTube. A lot of good videos that I have in here, so I really recommend you check them out. Go to the videos on the channel and check them out. They are really valuable. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much for watching. It's a pleasure being here with you. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.